Hey everybody, this is Sunday afternoon. It is October the 6th, 2024. And these flowers have pretty much died. I've had them for about 10 days now. And I wonder if this horse, I'm only down to one apple. And I think I might want that apple later. But I wonder if this horse would be interested in having these flowers. I wonder. Would you like to try to eat these flowers? Would you like to try to eat these flowers? Would you like those? Because, I mean, you eat grass anyway, so I wondered if you'd like to have these flowers to eat. It's better than are you walking away from the flowers? Oh, come on. Okay, they're shot. They're no longer worthy to have in the house in a vase. And if you'd like to eat them, you can. You can have the flowers to eat. Aw. Are you not interested in eating the flowers? Well, I'm just trying to offer you something a little bit nutritious. I know you got flies on you. You want to eat those? You're welcome to eat them. What about if I lay them down? Would you be more susceptible? Would you be more likely to eat them if I laid them down? So I'm behind my house and the horse is on my fence line. The horse belongs to my neighbor, my Mennonite neighbor. All right, well, how about this? I'll just leave them and see if you come to eat them. Do you like that better? Is that a better alternative? It looks like you're going to eat them. Maybe. I hope. Well, I'm sorry I didn't have an apple for you. Down to one apple. What do you think? You going to taste them? You going to taste the flowers? You like those? I hope you enjoy them. I'm sorry about the flies. I'm sorry about the flies on your eyes. Oh, you definitely have some new shoes. I can see the nails. I can see the new nails in your shoes. Brand new nails. So I'm just admiring your new shoes. I can see the nails. Hmm? Yeah? Well, will you try the flowers? Okay. Well, I'm just trying to recycle them. Maybe you'll eat them later. Alright, well, I'm going to get back inside now. Hope you have a nice Sunday afternoon. Try to keep the flies off you. Enjoy the flowers. Hope you like them.